The office of Pennsylvania Senator John Fetterman announced yesterday that he checked himself into a hospital with clinical depression, causing people on both sides of the aisle to voice support for the congressman. WFXR's Rianne Lowndes talked with a local mental health expert about this moment and why it's so important. And Rianne, I imagine it's not just that he's open about his depression, but talking about how he's seeking treatment is a big deal as well.
Yeah, Drew, I spoke with Sarah Herod, clinical director at Family Service of Roanoke Valley, who says that kind of action can make other people comfortable with talking about mental health and even give them the bravery to get treatment themselves.
I mean, he's in the U.S. Senate, which is a really prestigious position to be in, and he is struggling with the same thing that I am. So and is getting treatment for it. So, there must not be something wrong with me if I have to go and get this treatment.
Senator Fetterman appealed to voters with his blue-collar background, and Herrick says his transparency allows constituents to connect with him on another level.
It just as important for us to see ourselves reflected in our leaders, racially, according to gender. Also, I think in terms of life experiences, and Fetterman has really given that for so many reasons. His experience with stroke, and being more of a working class individual, and so now that he's talking about mental health struggles, I think more and more people are going to see that reflected.
She adds that any public figure talking about mental health is going to help normalize the topic.
So the fact that he's saying, not only do I struggle with this, but it's a strength of mine in order to go and get the help that I need. It's going to help me to continue to be a better version of myself and be able to kind of get through the day. And I think that's going to open up, again, space for people who maybe would not have sought out treatment in the past.
And Herrick, it already takes guts just to go and get help, and being a public figure, sharing this was probably not easy for the senator, but it models just how normal it is to struggle with depression. Live in the studio, Rianne Lowndes, WFXR News.